Hello everyone. I am Vijay S. Golalkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagara College, Hospet. For third semester students, this is my first class. So today we will deal with the poultry. So how can we define poultry? The rearing and maintenance of fowls for the production of egg and meat is called poultry. So now let us discuss something regarding aim and scope of poultry. You all know about domesticated birds such as chicken, duck, goose, turkey, and guinea fowl. In poultry, these birds are reared and maintained for production of egg and meat, which are excellent source of protein containing food for human beings. Fowls convert their plant feed into food of high nutritive value like eggs and meat. At present, India produces more than 16 billion broilers annually. The Intensive Poultry Development Project and Coordinated Poultry Breeding Project have been launched by Government of India to encourage poultry industry. Poultry farming on a small scale in small unit. Each unit with a few birds, usually numbering from 10 to 25, is extensively practiced by small farmers in rural India along with agriculture. The fecal matters and excreta of fowls, which are rich in nitrogen, they are used as organic manures for agriculture. Hence, it gives an extra income to the villagers. Even old age peoples are also involved in this practice. In large poultry farms, which are managed on commercial lines, here superior breeds of chicken are reared for both egg production and meat. India ranks fifth place in egg production. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are largest egg producer states in India. So now let us discuss about breeds of poultry. The domestic breeds are classified into three types depending upon their utility, namely layers, broilers, and dual purpose breeds. The layers are female fowls raised only for laying eggs. Example, white leghorn. Broilers are poultry birds which are grown for meat. Example, Plymouth Rock and Asil. These are the breeds which are raised for both egg laying and meat production. Example, Chittagong and Kadaknath. Now let us discuss about types of indigenous breeds. The indigenous breeds, also termed as Desi breeds, which exhibit great variations in their shape, size and color. Asil birds are found in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. They are poor egg layers. Meat of asil is considered to be very tasty. It is famous for cockfighting. Asil is also called as bird of royalty as it was used by king and princes for cockfighting. The Chittagong breed originated from Bangladesh. They are commonly called Malaya as it is native of Malayan Peninsula. The color of the bird is white with golden markings on the wings. The bird is strong and muscular. It lays fewer eggs. The flesh is of very good quality for eating. It is a peculiar Indian breed found in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. It weighs about 3 to 3.5 kg. The color of plumage is red, brown, grey, and black. Flesh has a good taste. Egg yield is moderate, but growth is faster. Totally, it is a dual purpose breed. Basra bird is minor breed found in Gujarat and Maharashtra, particularly around Bombay. It weighs about 1.5 to 2.5 kg. This is broiler, mainly raised for its flesh, but it is a poor egg layer. It is prone to a number of diseases. Kadaknath breed is found in Madhya Pradesh. They are commonly known as Kalamasi, as their flesh is black colored due to deposition of melanin pigment. It is delicious to eat. They are highly resistant to diseases. It is a dual purpose breed. It lays a good number of eggs. I think you all know very well about this breed, as Indian cricket player Mahendra Singh Dhoni recently started poultry farming with Kadaknath breed. Thank you.